Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how I can change the battery in this Honda Civic key fob here. It works for these models 2014 and 2019 and you don't need any fancy tools. You just need only one battery like this 1620, and you can find this battery in the description, a small flat screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. Well, the first thing you need to do is you need to turn the key fob like this to the back, and right here you see this Phillips head screw. Now take your Phillips head screwdriver and just remove this screw over here. Now when you remove the screw, place it to the table to not lose it, and you see on the side of the fob this small hole. Now you need to insert the tip of the flat screwdriver right in this hole and twist it a little bit. This will crack open, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces. Now when you separate the fob into two pieces, right on this side you see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery, again it's very easy. Just take the flat screwdriver, insert the tip right here and just push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery, here in the same place you need to install your new battery, and now make sure this side here is the negative side. So this step here is very important. And now when you place your new battery right here with the negative side facing you, alright, take these two pieces again, make sure you align them perfectly, all corners to match perfectly, and just snap them together just like this here. And now when you snap them together, turn again the key to the back, place the Phillips head screw back in its place over here, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that. It will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.